Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to select text in Photoshop without selected background. Okay, step 1, see this text, step 1, see this text and double click for select text and step 2, see this for image text, click quick selection tool, right click, use magic wand tool, select multiple, point to simple, tolerance 32. Then selected text color and you can select outside area. Simply go to selected and modify, expand for 1 pixels. Example, I select for 2 pixels. Now see this. Oh sorry, use 1 pixels. Okay, Control Z for back again. On. Okay, now we can see this selected. Then press Control Z. Press Control Z for duplicate. Now see this selected text without background. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.